Hello everybody. It's Sunday morning with Chrissy's white, light golden, 10 little golden puppies. As y'all can see, they've done a lot of growing. Oh, these little puppies are really tough males. There's 3 little white golden girls and 7 little golden boys. And it's just coming Saturday, October the 11th, that everybody's welcome to come out and pick from these little beautiful little golden poopers, though. They'll be over 4 weeks old and up and running around, and they'll start having their big outdoor adventures also, though. Oh, of course, they're wondering where Mama is right now. Well, I'll tell you what, though. I know one thing. With a mother like Chrissy, these little white goldens are going to shine like the brightest heavenly stars when they come of age, though. There's one of the little girls there. We just kind of waiting for Mama to come back in. I just took my golden friends out for a long walk. Puppy tail, row, row, row. Yeah, guys. Chrissy was a very special 11, and something I guess very special about these little golden poopers is their birthday. I'm a veteran myself of 4 years in the Army, though, but these little puppies was born on 9/11. Somebody pointed that out to me, though. I don't know if that makes any difference, though, but I'm here to testify, though. It was my golden friends, though, that taught me about that great gold they retrieved, though. And here come Mama Chrissy. I don't know if we'll get much more video now, though. Chrissy's been a very special light golden girl herself, though, and bring us great hours of pleasure, man. Oh, little puppies are getting a mad dash. They smell Mama. Aww. And I tell you what, these little puppies were not more than a day or 2 old, and I think they started jumping up on all 4, running around. They're still looking for Mama, though. Few of them settled in, though. Yes, October 11th, this coming Saturday, we're having an open house for these little 10 white golden poopers, though. And what happens when y'all come out, though, we put a special collar on your little puppy for you'll be able to watch your puppy for 2 more weeks until it's 6 weeks old, and then I give you the CKC registration paper as your receipt. Though, and puppies come with first shot records. It's a $100 deposit, which is included on the rehoming fee also, though. Aw, little pooper didn't find no milk. Little pooper, they all right here. Said, Mama, we just can't find the milk. Oh, they are some very beautiful little puppies, though, and very thirsty little puppies. A little over 2 years ago, though, I could testify about my golden friends and their little puppies retrieving that great gold for me, though. 25 great years of marriage. My wife passed away over a couple of years ago, though, and I didn't really turn to my family, though. I was raising puppies at the time, and I turned to my golden friends and their little puppies for love, though, to help me get through the worst time of my life, though. And I can testify that they do retrieve that great gold of life, guys. And the only gold these puppies will ever know throughout their life is love. And they'll do anything to retrieve that great gold for you. And in our life, this great gold is and always will be, or this love is and always will be, the greatest gold that our life can be given. Let's just give everybody up a cap on this coming Saturday, though, when we're having an open house again for Chrissy's 10 little white golden puppies, though, and we hope to see all y'all. And they are, I guess one more time, they are 9/11 puppies, but hopefully it'll bring good luck to everybody, though. And I know these guys are going to retrieve that great gold for you, though. But Sunday morning with Chrissy and her 10 little white Goldens. Hoping everybody has a mighty great day. And the Cowboys have a great day, too. And bring it on to 4-0. Go Cowboys. Y'all have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.